Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Sivahangad. Today I am going to talk about our project Digital Farm Management Portal for Biosecurity Measures in Poultry Farm. Poultry farming is one of the fastest growing industry in the food production, but it also faces serious challenges like diseases, poor hygiene and lack of proper monitoring. That's where our project helps. Digital Farm Management Portal is an online system or mobile app that helps farmers monitor and manage their poultry farm using the modern technology. It collects data from sensors, cameras and other devices to keep a track of temperature, humidity, feed and even birds' health.
Biosecurity. Biosecurity means preventing the birds from harmful diseases. The portal supports biosecurity by sending an automatic alert when there is a risk. For example, a sudden temperature change or a visitor entering the restricted area. It helps farmers to take quick action and prevent diseases. The system is also benefits for farmers for reducing losses and improving egg and meat production and also saving time. For example, some smart poultry farms in India already uses AI and IoT tools to track feed levels and vaccination schedules.
Here we designed an app to protect the poultry farms. Let us see how it works. Future technologies like AI, IoT, blockchain will make the farming even smarter, where every bird's health can be tracked digitally. Although the setup cost and lack of training are challenges, government support and mobile-friendly designs can make use of it. In conclusion, digital farm management is a smart step towards the safer, cleaner and more sustainable development. Truly the future of smart agriculture. We feel highly privileged if you promote this app to all the poultry farmers. Thank you all for this golden opportunity.